Hello everyone, welcome to the second section of this course. In this section, we start texturing step by step. Before starting, it is better to set the display quality to 4K, and for this you need a suitable graphic card, and set the quality to high or very high. With this setting, you can see the details and texturing quality better. We don't need a spider web, so I will hide it. And at the end of the spider web project I also texture. The first thing is to create a group, and always try to create a layer with proper grouping and naming. I changed the name of the group to tanker and black mask, and add the color selection, pick color red. With this method, any layer we add will only affect the tanker. I click on the mask and fill layer. I change the name of the layer to base color. In the first layer, we create the color of the tanker. I increase the roughness a little bit. Gradually adding more layer will reduce the intensity of the roughness. I choose the color of the tanker as red, and you can choose the color using the reference. Or you can write the number of the color you want. You can choose any color you want, yellow or blue. I made the first layer. I export the texture to Marmoset to see better texture details. Here you can choose output settings such as the size and file type and output location, and you should choose according to the project. Okay, I select the output address of the project and then export. And output template. From here, you can specify for which engine or workflow you want to get output. I choose PBR metallic roughness, and you can choose template according to the software or engine you want. Okay, export. Look here, it shows the specification of the textures. I run Marmoset. I import the low poly model. The settings are good. I will change them if needed. Okay. Now I want to import the texture. Look here. The names are the same as I wrote in Max. We put the texture one by one in their place. If you choose DirectX normal, you should have activated Flip Y. Okay, it's fine. To see the tanker better, I hide the spider web. Okay, everything is fine. Let's start texturing. In the second layer, I want to create a roughness mode. Write the name of the layer correctly so as not to get confused. Only the normal channel should be active, and select the matte finish galvanize filter. Choose matte finish galvanize. In this layer, I want to create a very small roughness mode. Change the setting according to the changes I give. Mm. Always set a triplanar mapping to true. That way you won't have UV problems. Um, I will output to see the result. Mm, as you can see, I created a weaker roughness mode. Mm, it's good. To be able to create a real metal material, you should add the details according to the reference and layer by layer. And you should know that you cannot make a quality material with one or more layer, and details should be added gradually. Okay, I want to create a layer for the roughness variation and simulate the metal. I create the first roughness variation layer, and I want to create some more layer to implement more details. We only need a rough channel. Um, Little roughness. Mm, Black mask and fill layer. From here you can choose the grunge you want. Uh, this is good. Triplanar. Hmm. I do not change the settings, only tiling 6. To adjust the mask better, change the view mode to mask. When you want to adjust the mask, always set the view mode to mask. To reduce the intensity of the mask, I will add a level. Uh, Increase or decrease according to the changes you see. Uh, you can write the number you want. Mm, mm, it's fine. Mm, let's see the result. Uh, I just wanted to add some roughness to the metal. Mm, you can see it is a little made. For better control of shadows, you can import ambient map. You can increase or decrease the shadow intensity according to your needs. Mm, okay, it's fine. I will copy this layer and change its name, and I change the settings. Uh, I increase the roughness a little. Uh, I do not need a level. I will also change the grunge. You can also search here. Drag and drop. Mm, tiling tree. Go to mass view mode for a better view. Mm, I don't want it to affect too much. Uh, mm, I try to reduce it a little bit by different methods. Mm, mm, I think it is enough. See what has changed by turning the layer on and off. Mm, okay, it's fine. Let's see the result in Marmoset. Uh, always add a detail little by little so that you can implement the details well. Mm, you can see that a little roughness variation has been created. I need to add more details. I can copy the layer or add a fill. I will create another roughness variation. Another roughness variation, and I do the same thing with other settings. Mm, I reduce the roughness. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, Black mask and fill. Mm, uh, choose the grunge you want. Mm, you can try several grunge. Use whichever one is better. This is fine. Mask view. I will reduce the intensity a little. Mm, tiling 2. Projection triplanar. The problem of UV interference does not arise. Mm, from here you can move or rotate the mask. Uh, mm, you can also give a number. Mm, Okay, good. It is better to add a level, reduce the intensity. Mm, okay, it's fine. I turn the layer off and on to see the result better. Uh, let's see the result in Marmoset. Mm, added some small details. Uh, okay, everything is fine. Mm, you can change its name to roughness dirt. Mm, because the roughness I created is like dirt. I create the next layer. I want to create the next roughness variation. Mm, in this layer, I want to create a small spots roughness variation. Uh, I only need the rough and metal channel. Mm, I give a little roughness. Mm, find the result you want to increasing and decreasing the intensity. Uh, okay, add black mask and add a fill. Well, I will repeat the same things I did in the previous layer. Choose a different range from before. I want to create a small spot roughness variation. Uh, mm, this is fine. Mm, uh, not bad. Tiling too. Mm, I increase the balance. Uh, I think it is too much. Mm, I think it is better to reduce it. Uh, I active triplanar so that there is no problem. Uh, well, you can see that I have made spots. Mm, mm, a mask view. You can see I created small details. Uh, these small details make the metal material more natural. Uh, let's see the result in Marmoset. See here, By adding details, the tanker become more natural. Okay, it's fine. Mm, on the next layer, I'm going to create a scratch roughness. Mm, I will name the layer roughness scratch. Mm, I only need the roughness channel and black mask and at the field. Mm, well, instead of using some stamp painter on ground, I want to import a grunge. Mm, import, drag and drop, mask view. Is it good? I want it to be very small and weak. Mm, soft light. Uh, mm, tiling 7. I want to make a very small scratch. I will reduce the roughness a little. Mm, mm, du- 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 du. Mm, 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 I add a level to reduce the intensity of the mask a little. Mm, ooh, mm. You can increase or decrease any amount you want. If you see too much or too little, you can come back and change it. Mm, uh, let's see what has changed. Well, to soften the scratch a little, I add a blur filter. I want to reduce the sharpness of the scratch. Mm, 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 okay, it's fine. Uh, let's see the result in Marmoset. Well, this is before export. Uh, You can see the scratch. Well, we are adding details little by little. Mm, okay, it's fine. Before we continue, let's save. Mm, you can check if there is a problem and fix it. Okay, after I save it, I will create a new layer. Mm, name the layer roughness metal. Uh, in this layer, I want to create some metal details. Mm, only need a rough and normal channels. Add a filter and choose a matte finish rough. Uh, this is fine and only need rough and normal channels. Okay. Scale 10. Mm, do not change the scale range. Brushing intensity. Mm, uh, okay, good. Not change the rest of the settings. Try planar true and to reduce the intensity of the filter, you can reduce the percentage of the layer. Set the layer to normal, and from here you can increase and decrease the percentage of the layer. I set it to 40%. Okay, good. Reduce the roughness. The roughness can be reduced both from above and from below. Reduce the layer percentage. Mm, mm, you can see that even 1% has a great impact. Set the layer mode to overlay. Okay, it's fine. Mm, it is better that I increase the balance of the roughness variation layer before seeing the result. I will increase the balance so that I can be seen better. Okay, no, it's better. I hide the spider web. No, it's time to see the result the mouse said. Mm, mm, it's fine. Almost like a metallic substance. Uh, you can add some light to make the model look better. You can add light from all angles. Mm, it's better to group all the light so that if you want to turn them on or off, you can do it faster. Disable cast shadow. Uh, you can change the ambient light. Mm, Okay, back to texturing. Create a new layer. I want to create another roughness variation. Change its name to roughness variation 4. In this layer, I want to add some matte detail to reduce the specular reflection. Okay, only need these 3 channels. Reduce the roughness a little. Mm, mm. As you can see, it has many reflections. I want to reduce specular reflections. Mm, Black mask. Add a fill. And need a grind to make it matte. Mm, this is fine. Mm, Reduce the balance a little. For better mask control, it is better to be in mask view mode. Uh, Increase the contrast. Mm, Projection triplanar. See here, if it is UV projection, it does not calculate the UV edges and causes interference. If it is triplanar, there is no UV interference problem. Okay, good. Uh, let's see what has changed. Mm, See here, uh, a little matte detail is created. For better control of the mask, we can add levels. Uh, Reduce the intensity of the mask a little. Mm, mm, do, do, mm. See before and after. Okay, it's fine. Adjust the camera angle. Let's see the result in Marmoset. That's enough. There is no need to create a roughness variation, but I want to create a few more roughness variations so that you can better understand how to gradually add details. Okay, good. In the next layer, I want to add detail of scratch and spots. Sorry, the system crashed. A new layer. Only these 3 channels are needed. I want it to be a little red. Mm, uh, I want to make a red scratch. Mm, uh, Reduce the roughness. Mm, uh, a little height. Mm, Black mask. Slightly reduce the color percentage of the layer. mm, uh, mm, mm. Is it good? At the field, I need a ground scratch. The combination of dirt and scratch. Mm, this is good. This scratch can simulate a scratch and dirt. Uh, Increase the balance so that the details can be seen better. Uh, Contrast is good. Mm, uh, Triplanar, tiling tree. Uh, it is good. For better contour of the mask, I will add a level. Mm, mm, okay, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. I can add a blur filter so that the edges of the mask are not sharp. I can add a blur filter so that the edges of the mask are not sharp. Very little. Very little. I want it to have a very slight effect. I want it to have a very slight effect. You can see the result here. You can see the result here. Better. I will export for marmoset to see the result better. I will export for marmoset. You can see the result well. You can erase some repetitive details. You can erase some repetitive details. No, the roughness has improved. The roughness variation details that I want to add from now on are only for your practice and learning and do not need to be added to the tank. And my only goal is for you to practice and learn. I want to create another roughness variation. Mm, Only need these two channels. Reduce the roughness a little and increase the height a little. In this layer, I want to create a slightly dusty state. Mm, mm, black mask, add a fill, need grind to create a dust, uh, mm, this is fine. Mask view, increase the balance, uh, tiling 4, and triplanar, and I think it is good. Mm, Well, let's see the result. Mm, See here, you can remove this layer because it does not have much effect. Uh, Adjust the angle. Mm, the reason I add detail layer by layer is so you can learn how to add details. The layer I created may not be necessary, but I am doing this for you to learn. Let's see the result. Okay, good. Try to change the setting yourself, and you don't need to give the same setting that I gave. In the next layer, I want to increase the specular reflection of the edges. Uh, mm, okay, these two channels are needed. Uh, Increase the roughness. Mm, Black mask. Add a generator. Uh, Mask editor. Uh, I want it to affect only the edges. Mm, Change or increase or decrease the setting to get the result that you want. Mm, mm, do, 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 do. Okay, that's good. Mm, uh, the edges become a little more shiny. Mm, I create another roughness variation. I will try to add detail gradually so that you understand. Only need the rough channel. Reduce the roughness a very little. Mm, Black mask and add a fill. Mm, in this layer, I want to reduce the roughness as spaced on the tanker. Mm, mm, I need a stained grunge. Mm, This is good. Reduce the balance. Tiling 4. Well, I don't need to change the rest of the settings. Let's see the result. Export for Randstad. Looks good. Wow, I had not activated the layer. I will export again. Adjust the camera angle. Okay, back to texture. I want to create another roughness variation layer, and this time I will use smart mask. I want to create a matte spots in this layer. Rough channel only. Increase the roughness. As I said, I don't need to add some details. I am just doing this for your learning. If you see that you don't need this layer, you can delete it or change its settings. Black mask, add generator. No, I want to use smart mask. Search dirt. Choose one. This is better. Mask view. Mask. Oh. Check the settings. Increase the balance. I will not change the rest of the settings. You can change it if you want. There is no need to change the settings. Let's see the result. Okay, good. It is better to export it for Marmoset to see the result. Added some small matte details. Create a new layer. Metal variation. In this layer, I want to create a cool iron material. I need these two channels. Increase the roughness. Mm, uh, mm, add the filter. Mm, matte finish galvanize. Triplanar true. Mm, scale 1. Mm, reduce the intensity. Okay, good. Black mask. Add a fill. I want to create the cool state of iron in the form of dirt or steam. Mm, uh, increase the balance. Mm, add a level to reduce the intensity of the mask. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, let's see the result. It is better to see the result in marmoset. Mm, okay, I think it is too much. I can reduce it. We can change the setting or put the layer in the group and add a mask to the group and reduce the intensity of the layer mask from the group mask. By combining two masks, we can give a better effect and add a fill. Mm, uh, choose a suitable range. Mm, uh, this is good. Mm, uh, tiling tool. Uh, triplanar. Mm, no need to change the settings. Well, no, I have combined two masks together. Uh, um, better to add the levels. Mm, do, 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 do. Mm, mm, okay. Mm, well, let's see the result. Mm, let's see the result in Marmoset. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, it's better now. Mm, mm, okay, back to texturing. There is no need to add roughness variation detail, and you can delete some layers that you think are unnecessary. Change the name. Mm, on the next layer, I want to create a small dusty details. Um, I want to create dirt and scratch detail in a very small way. Mm, uh, choose a color that is gray and creamy and similar to the color of the earth. Uh, you can choose from reference and or write the color number. It is better to reduce the rough before. Uh, reduce the roughness completely and color. I write number. You can choose from the reference. And increase the height a little. And mm, black mask. Add a fill. I made a mistake. Oh, add a fill. Search for the grain that is used to create dust and scratches. Mm, mm, Ask view. Tiling 3. Increase the balance. Increase the contrast a little. Mm, you can erase the repeated part with the other paint. Projection set triplanar. It got better. You can move the mask. Mm, to remove duplicate detail, you can click at the paint and select the brush. Mm, Paint on duplicate details, and the paint shortcut key is X. Mm, uh, it is better to see the result in Marmoset. Uh, you can see this detail. Okay, good. Mm, no need to change. I think I should create another reference scratches. In this layer, I want to create a very slightly shiny scratch. And I only need the rough channel. Increase the roughness. I want to simulate the detail of iron forgiveness. Mm, I want to create a very slight shining scratch. Mm, Black mask. Add a fill. Search scratch branch. Mm, Mask view. Triplanar. Tiling tree. Reduce the balance. Increase the contrast. Okay. Add the levels. Always try to add levels for better mask control. Mm, mm, mm. This is fine. Let's see the result in Marmoset. Improved material quality. Look around the model and see if there is a problem and fix it. I gradually reduce the coldness of the material. Uh, okay, back to texturing. In the next layer, I want to create another roughness variation. The reason of repeating roughness variation layer is that you learn how to create details. I have created several additional layers. You can delete or change them. Only need to rough channel. This time I reduce the roughness. Uh, I want to create a matte variation. Mm, you can create a metallic material by combining matte, shine, and roughness. Black mask, add a fill. I want to create a matte look using dirt ground, of course, a very little. Mm, this is good. Increase the contrast. Triplanar. Uh, Add the levels. Mm, okay, it's better. Uh, you do not need to see the result of this layer. Create the next layer. Create the last roughness variation. Mm, Rough channel only. Uh, Increase the height a little. Add the black. uh, and mm, add a field. Uh, I want to create some matte detail in the form of just a scratch. Mm, the reason for creating a different layer is to create variation in roughness and brightness. Mm, look here, we have created different effects like scratch, rough, matte, reflection, and etc. Mm, mm, okay, back to texturing. Increase the balance, mask view, um, increase the contrast, tiling 2 to make the mask a little smoother. I add a blur filter. Uh, mm, very little. Mm, okay, good. Mm, adjust the angle. Let's see the result in Marmoset. Uh, improve. I may come back and make changes at the end of the tutorial. Mm, okay, back to texturing. In this layer, I want to create a weir for the edges. And I can add a new layer or use smart material. Uh, use a smart material, search rust. This smart material is in the project file. Okay, good. Mm, it is better to remove from the group. Mm, reduce the roughness. Um, mm, okay, it got better. Mm, and a little height. Mm, do, 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 do. Okay, good. You can change it later if needed. Uh, and add a black mask. Uh, add a generator. Metal edge wear. And increase the wear level. Mm, and increase the wear contrast. You can change the settings and create the best one for yourself. uh, slightly increase the grunge amount. And uh, reduce ambient and reduce edges smoothness completely. The rest of the setting are fine. There is no need to change them. Okay, good. Mm, uh, no changes are needed. Uh, we can add additional detail with other paint. Well, you can erase the repeated details. Key X, choose the right brush. You can erase the parts you don't want. Erase the duplicate details. It is better to erase some of this. Okay, good. For this part, you can use the projection method. It's here. It is better to import the grind we need first. Projection, and then drag the grind and drop in it on the grayscale. Now you can create better and more natural detail using grunge. You can rotate the grind mouse with the S key and left click. You can move with S and mouse scroll and S and right click to zoom. After you set the grunge, choose a suitable brush and then paint. You can paint in any way you want. Do the same for this part. Mm, It is better to use another branch. No, that's fine. No need to change it. Uh, Sorry, the program crashed. Uh, you can import any branch you want and paint as you like. Paint the parts that have dents or scratches. Mm, mm, no, no, no. Okay, good. Mm, let's see the result in Marmoset. Mm, the quality has improved. Mm, okay. I think I need to make some changes in the detail of this part. Same here. Okay, back to texturing. Um, you can look at references to create more natural details. You can use the brushes that you know are better or import another branch and try to practice how you like to do it. Mm, Okay, it's better. Let's see the result in Marmoset. Better than before. Here the instructions label is placed and no scratches are visible. It is better to reduce the detail of this part. Back to texturing. Okay, it's better. Better save it. The texturing of the tanker is over. In the next step, I want to create a safety layer of instruction on the tanker. We can see the reference and the references and texture are in the project file. Import the texture. The first thing I do is create a group. Instructions. Add a layer. Instructions. Projection. You only need the color channel and drag and drop the texture. You can zoom with S and right click and move with S and left click. Well, you can paint both in 3D view and 2D view. Better to paint in 2D view. You have better control. Adjust the size according to the reference. Uh, is it good? Paint. Let's see the result in 3D view. Mm, is it good? Compare with the reference and see how it is. I think it is better if it is a little down below. Mm, a little down below. Mm, let's see the result. Compare with the reference. Mm, it is better to move it right. A little to the right. Mm, see the result. Mm, it is better to move it left. A little to the left. Mm, see the result. Mm, it's better now. Mm, okay, good. Mm, erase damaged parts of the tanker. Choose the right brush. Try to look real. You have to erase in a way that it should look like it was destroyed by impact. Uh, mm, uh, okay, good. Mm, uh, reduce the opacity a little to soften the edges. Makes scratching more natural. Mm, okay, it's better. Mm, erase this part of the edge. Very little like scratches and fading. Reduce the opacity. And erase this part of the edge. Mm, and I make a little scratch on the edges. I choose the right brush to scratch the edges. Do this very carefully and delicately. Do not overdo it. Try different brushes. In the next step, I want to create a little roughness and height for the label. Add a fill. Better to reduce the texture and light a little before. Add a filter. SSL perceptive. Reduce the light a little. See the result. Okay, it's better now. Okay, now I want to create some roughness and height for the label. The first step is to add anchor point to the layer to which I want to add height and rough and black mask. Why should we use anchor point? Because you can combine two or more layers with this method. Add a fill and select the anchor point to the layer below. With this method, two layers are combined or linked. Any changes you make on the above layer will also change on the below layer, rough and height. See here, when you increase the height, you can see the change. You can see that the height is not given well. To fix the problem, fill and levels. Alpha behavior, set to extract alpha. With this method, you can set it to not use the texture color for the mask. To understand better, I show in the mask view. You can see that texture color is used for the mask. If you set it to extract alpha, it will only calculate the mask separately. Mask view, set to extract alpha. You can see that it no use the texture color. You can see that the problem is fixed. Okay, good. You can use grunge for roughness. Choose a suitable grunge. Drag and drop. Increase the balance. You can use the levels to control the roughness. Okay, good. If I want to add a new layer, this layer will affect the entire tanker. To only affect the label, I use the label mask and I mask the group and connect the layer mask and the group together. Add a black mask, add a fill, and I give anchor point to the layer that I want to mask. And I set the group mask to take its mask from the below layer. Correct the layer name. I link the group mask with the layer mask. Select the name of the layer you want to link. Now you can see that the group and layer masks are the same. If you add a new layer, it will only affect the label. This way, each new layer you add will only affect the label. And in the next layer, I want to create a roughness variation. Only need the rough channel. Add the black mask, add the generator, dirt. I want to create a slightly matte rough under the cardstock. mm, uh, completely reduce the dirt contrast. Okay, good. Reduce the roughness. Mm, okay. Let's see the result in Marmoset. It's good. The height of the edge is also good. You can slightly increase the height of the label. The quality of iron material has improved. To focus on the model, you can change the color of the environment to black. Mm, okay, good. Mm, back to texturing. In the next layer, I wanna to add detail of the tanker, add the fill. I wanted to paint the number 12 on the tanker. Uh, add the paint. Import alpha. You can import any alpha you want. Projection. Three number or 12. I choose one and paint. I choose the middle number. Adjust the number size. Mm, and paint. It will be better if it goes a little to the left. Mm, good. Paint. It is better, but it should be a little smaller. Mm, okay, good. Choose any color you like. I choose the black. A little scratch to make it more natural. Choose the right brush for scratching. Uh, this is good. No, it's better. You can use other brushes. This brush is available in the project file. Uh, you can import the grunge or alphas that are in the project file. Mm, you can also use it for the instructions label. Mm, try not to overdo it. Mm, okay, let's see the result. Mm, is it good? Okay, back to texturing. Uh, you can use the grunge for roughness of number. Mm, This is good. You can reduce the balance a little or reduce the percentage of the layer. Uh, okay, and increase the height a little. Mm, let's see the result. Mm, is it good? Mm, no, I wanted to create detail of soil, dust, water drop, etc. The first step of creating a group named Dusty. Uh, in the first layer, I wanted to create some Dusty based on AO. Uh, mm, choose the color. Mm, and you can choose the color from the reference or numerically. Mm, um, and reduce the roughness. Mm, a little height. Add the black mask. Add a generator. A mask builder. Uh, mask view. Mm, increase the level. Reduce the contrast a little. Triplanar true. Completely reduce the triplanar blending contrast. Reduce the grunge and scale 3. Mm, reduce the AO. Increase the range and increase the noisiness. Mm, curvature 0. Okay, good. You can erase the extra parts, add the paint, uh, mask view, choose a brush, mm, erase the extra parts, mm, ooh, Okay, good. Let's see the result. Mm, great. Add a field. In the next layer, I want to create a scatter dust. I will create some dust on the tanker. Choose the color. Mm, mm, reduce the roughness completely. A little height. Mm, add a black mask. Add a fill. Import Grange. Mm, and mask view. Tiling 2. And add the levels. Reduce the intensity of the mask a little. I wanted to make it look like dust very small. Mm, mm, you can see it in a small and scattered way. I add the bevel filter to make it look a little softer. Mm, uh, very little. Mm, okay, good. In the next layer, I want to simulate water drops. Add a fill. Mm, and choose the color from the blue layer. Is it good? Add the black mask. Reduce the roughness. Uh, a little height. Mm, add a fill. This is good. Tiling 2. Triplanar. Mm, increase the balance. And increase the contrast. Mm, okay, good. And You can move the mask uh, just as you like. Mm, and you can also move the mask from here. Mm, okay, let's see the result. Well, only some parts should be erased. Mm, erase the parts you don't need. It should be less here too. Mm, mask view. You can use other paint or other level to control the mask better. I select the level. Uh, okay, good. An important point that you should pay attention to when creating details, it is that you should not overdo it in creating details. That will make it artificial, and try to create details according to the reference. Okay, export to see the result better. Okay, good. It can be less here and here. Mm, mm, okay, back to text sharing. Uh, Let me take another look. Move the mouse to get the result you want. Okay, good. You can paint the place of the spider web. We will do this in the end. Mm, looks good. Disable levels. I wanted to export one more time to see the difference. Mm, 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 mm. You can erase duplicate parts. Mm, mask view. Uh, add a paint. Mm, erase the extra parts. Choose a brush. Mm, X. It's better now. You can create the details as you like. You don't have to act like me. Mm, levels don't have much effect. You can remove it. I create new levels. I wanted to slightly increase the intensity of the mask. Mm, you can see it is a little clearer. Increase the intensity a little. Well, it is better to see the result. Yeah, okay, it's better. You can erase the duplicate details. You can add or erase details according to your opinion. Okay, good. Mm, in the last layer, I want to paint the connecting part of the spider web and the tanker. At the field, I wanted to create dust to make it more natural. These are the small details that gradually make the material more natural and better. Add the black mask. You can use the layer below. You don't need to create a new layer. Duplicate the layer below. Uh, mm, and the black mask. Add the paint. Paint the parts where the spider web and the tanker are connected. Okay, good. You can create another layer to strengthen the roughness. It is better to be roughness like small scratches. Only need the rough channel. Add a fill. I import grind from the project file. The reason I want to add another roughness is because the dust makes the metal material of the tanker not show properly. And by adding a new roughness, I want to strengthen the roughness. Of course, you don't have to do this. And increase the roughness. Mm, uh, add the levels. I just want the scratch to be seen. Okay, good. Mm, See here, this makes the texture of the metal better visible. Mm, all right. Hide spider web. It is better to see the result. Mm, You can remove the layer or detail that you think are not necessary. Do not be afraid to implement your own ideas or opinions and know that your progress will be achieved with these exercises. Add details that you think would be better, and if it doesn't fit or look good, you can remove it. Don't be afraid and just do it. The reason I add multiple layer and detail is so that you learn how idea and opinions implement yourself. Alright, in the next layer, I want to create a detail of damage and large scratches. And you can import the smart material from the project file. Mm, uh, don't need to change the settings. Add a paint, projection. Mm, you can import the current or alpha you have. This is good. Be careful not to overdo the details and follow the example of the reference. Uh, okay. Is it good? You can change the garage. Mm, it's fine. Add some height to make it more natural. Mm, Reduce the percentage of the layer a little. Mm, Erase the details that you think are not needed. Well, let's see the result. Good. Hmm, I will erase this part. Okay, I will export again. Okay, everything is fine. The second section of the tutorial is finished, and in the next section I will texture the other parts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next section.